Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Technically, the first step in how to cook crab legs is to thaw them when you don't have fresh crab legs available. Yay for you if you can get them fresh. The best way to thaw frozen crab legs is to put them in the refrigerator overnight, at least 8 hours. 4 December 2020.
Take our lead.
Perishable foods like king crab and seafood should never be thawed on the counter or under hot water and should never be left at room temperature for more than 2 hours. Never thaw foods in a garage, basement, car, dishwasher, or plastic garbage bag, out on the kitchen counter, outdoors, or on the porch. 28 January 2019.
Take our lead.
How to steam king crab legs. Add a basket to a large pot along with a few cups of water. Add the crab legs to the basket. Feel free to bend them at the joint to make them fit. Place the lid of the pot on. Steam for about 5 to 7 minutes. The 16th of November 2020.
Take our lead.
Boiling is one of the best ways to cook crab legs. The water gets in between the cooked meat and the shell, keeping everything moist and juicy. Since frozen crab legs have already been cooked, all you need to do is heat them through. 11 January 2018.
Take our lead.
Steaming crab legs is very similar to boiling them. Some people say that steaming is actually better because it allows all of the crab flavor to stay within the shell instead of leaking out into the cooking water. 11 January 2018.
Take our lead.
It's much easier to both cook and eat the crab legs if you cut them into smaller pieces before using. To do this, use kitchen shears to cut the legs into 2 to 3 inch segments. Snip between the joints to make removing the meat easier.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Check the color of the crab. If it is already orange or red, it is cooked and just needs to be reheated. If it is greenish or brown, you'll want to make sure that you steam or boil it until it turns orange or red. 15 May 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Bring a large pot of water to a strong boil before dropping in the crab. Cover the pot, bring it back to a gentle simmer, and let it cook for 8 to 9 minutes. If the crab is fully thawed, 4 to 5 minutes is sufficient. Boil king crab for approximately 10 minutes if thawed, and a few minutes longer if frozen. 20 October 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
Boiling frozen, pre-cooked king crab legs. Fill a large pot up halfway with cold water. Bring the water to a boil. Once the water is boiling, add the crab legs. Turn the heat down to just above medium. Boil for 4 minutes. Remove the crab legs from the pot and rinse in cold water to stop them from cooking further. Enjoy!
Take our lead.
If you're having any doubt about whether crab legs are cooked, look for visual cues. Raw crab has a greenish-brown shell, and cooked crab has a white and pink or reddish shell. You can also check the crab leg packaging or ask the fishmonger if the crab legs you're buying are fully cooked. 4 November 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.